Hello viewers, and as from the title, you guys know that I'm gonna talk to you about the new update which MSC just announced today on 1st April for the N54 users, and it's only for the N54 this update. Okay, so let's see what it has. So before opening the app, I want to go to the Play Store and update the MSC app. So this is what the new update has. They added the standing still Burble tune, which is the most important thing we're going to talk about here, and I think that's it. So as you see, the app is updated, and now what we have to do is to we can open it from there as well, or we can open it from here, and let's see if it opens. Let's begin with the tune. So if you don't have the comfort access, then you have to put your key in there and press the key twice, the start button twice, and make sure your lights are off and the fan is on off. So like we don't need to drain the battery. It's going to be only, if you already mapped it before, it's only going to be 2 minutes, but if you're doing it for the first time, then it's going to take longer. It can take up to 30 minutes. Okay, so press OK. You can select whatever map you were on. So I'm on current maps version 8, and then my car is on stage 2 ACN 91, and it's an auto standard flash. So my car is already flashed with this map. I just have to reflash it after the update, which will be just a 2 minutes flash. You just go to options, exhaust Burble, and from here, as you can see, my base duration is on 0 and my sports duration is on 1.8, and aggressive I set it to hard. I did it this way because when I'm in a drive mode, I don't need any burble. I just want it normal. And when I'm in a sports mode, like when I switch it to manual, or I do the downshift or upshift from the pedals, then it do the burble. So that's what when I wanted it. I don't want to do the burbles and pops and those things all the time. And the settings I've selected is just do the one pop. It doesn't do continuously popcorn pops. So after that, you just have to go back and do the flash. For me, it's saying the long right, because before I did it on my phone, I flashed it on my phone. I didn't did it on this tablet, so that's why it doesn't have any saved data about my car in this tablet. That's why it's showing this. But if you have tuned your car, like if you have mapped your car before, it will just be 2 minutes. And I already did it from my phone. I did this Burble tune. So I am good from here, and then after that, I'll show you the how does it sound like now when it's parked. Okay, so that's how it was for me. My car is still on OEM exhaust. I still got the secondary cats and I still got the resonator on my car. If your car is straight pipe and you have aftermarket muffler, it's gonna be sounding much louder. And my settings is not that like I'm not really a fan of a high exhaust sound, because this is my daily car. I daily drive it. So for daily, that too much loud, I don't prefer that. For me, like it's up to everyone's own taste. And yeah, that's it. And if you guys want to know about this tablet mount I have, let me know in the comment section. I will make a video about that one. This is available in the market, but I did some modifications to it to fit it to the cup holder. So yeah, I can make a new video on it, and that's it. Okay, thanks for watching.